Hi there, and welcome back to Challenging Kitchen. Today, we're going to be doing a roasted chicken. I'm going to show you how to do it. The first thing that I'm going to do is I've already had my chicken laid out for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to wash it and then pat it dry. Now, I know some people may not want to wash it. That's up to you. But my grandma always did, and I'm going to do it exactly the way she did it. So here we go. Here are the items you're going to need. You're going to need a whole chicken. This one is 5.39 pounds. You're going to need a little bit of unsalted butter, some garlic powder, some onion powder, some pepper, some sage, some paprika, a little bit of salt, and some olive oil. We're just going to pat this dry now. To my ramekin, I have 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, a half of teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a half a teaspoon of sage. I have at least 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. What I'm going to do is I'm gently going to lift the skin up, and I'm going to slather this butter all up into this cavity right here. Just gently with the knife. Hope you can see that. You just want to kind of open it up a little bit. To the other side. Now I'm going to take the butter. It's pretty cool in here, but I'm going to go ahead and tuck it up in there. You can also put some spices in your butter. That would make it really tasty as well. Just gonna smash that out. The other side. Tuck it way up in there. Take my knife. Get up there. Right in there. Somewhere on that side. And there. I'm going to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, now to my ramekin, I'm going to add my olive oil. And I'm just going to make it into a little paste. Oops. Has my well gone dry? Okay, that's about a tablespoon right there. Let's see how it is. See if I need to add a little more. Need to get just a little bit more out of this jug. Come on. You can do it. Maybe not. It's giving up the ghost. Good thing I have a backup. Okay, got that open. Just a little bit more there. Like a paste. And bring my chicken back over. And we're just gonna slather it on there. Okay, y'all. Something just happened to my camera. All right, so as I always say, don't be a one-sided seasoner. Flip that bad boy over and do the other side. It's very important. Look, he's getting happy now. Look at that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Happy, happy, happy. There we go. Now, into the oven at 375 for about 10-15 minutes until you start seeing it getting a little brown. Then you want to turn the oven down to 325 for the remainder of the time. And if you would like, you could put in some chopped celery and onion in the cavity, which makes it very tasty. I don't have any of that right now, so I'm not going to use it. Use what you have. I want to thank you for stopping by Challenging Kitchen today. Give this roasted chicken recipe a try. I know you're going to love it. Let me know in the comments down below. And as always, may God always bless you and thank you.